What's going on, guys? Welcome to YPCRYPTO. I'm Anthony.
I'm Chris.
And today, guys, we're going to talk about our portfolios. We're going to break it up into 4 sections. First section, our biggest holding.
Yep.
Second, our favorite coin. Third, our sleeper coin. And lastly, our Hail Mary coin.
Yeah.
So, Chris, what's your biggest holding?
So my biggest holding is Icon, ICX. I really love this project as well, but it actually started with a kind of like last year when I had a lot of my Bitcoin and I actually sold it for some ICX because I believe during this bull market, ICX will outperform Bitcoin. And my aim is to take some of the ICX when it does outperform Bitcoin. I believe it will, and to use it to buy back more Bitcoin. So ICX is probably about 60% of my portfolio right now. So that's my biggest holding.
Cool. Yeah, I like Icon. It's not my biggest holding, but the all-time high is $12.50. And at the moment, it's sitting about $2.50.
Yeah, and it's very underrated, man. It's like this year they've got partnerships with the Korean government. It's a Korean blockchain. They're coming out with their own DeFi projects, so they're doing a lot of groundwork. The only downfall for Icon, I guess, right now, there's no marketing. Not many YouTubers are talking about them, which I like anyway. What I love about Icon as well is that I'm earning 10% interest on my Icon coin, so that's cool for me, man. Cool. So that number one is biggest holding is Icon for me.
My biggest holding is the daddy Bitcoin. I don't need to explain why I'm holding it. If you're not holding it, it's something wrong with you. No, I'm kidding. Personal preference. Second, Chris, what's your favorite coin?
My favorite coin at the moment is Binance. I've actually, for me, this coin, I call it the Amazon of crypto because it does so many things. They just continue to build. The coins just, the whole ecosystem of Binance now is just growing. And I just like the fact that, you can do so many things on the Binance. You can, exchange, futures trading, staking. It's got its own blockchain coming out. And what I really like about Binance is that the deposits are easy and quick and the withdrawals are even quicker. So when I make some gains and I can withdraw it, it gets into my bank account. So my favorite coin is Binance at the moment. What's yours, bro?
My favorite coin is Ethereum. It has to be. In fact, actually, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're quite roughly the same in terms of percentage of my portfolio. But Ethereum, nothing's going to chase. Nothing's going to catch Ethereum at the moment. There's all this talk about Cardano going to catch it. It is a better product than Ethereum.
On paper,
but
it's on paper.
Nothing's going to catch Ethereum. Like you want to talk about coins building on building on the Ethereum blockchain. Nothing's building on Cardano at the moment, but for some reason,
Cardano holders.
For some reason, it's a it's a good coin. But yeah, that's my.
These Cardano holders are gonna hate you, bro.
No, I hold Cardano. All right, Chris, what's the sleeper coin?
Man, it's actually sleeping right now. It's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sleeping right now. It needs to go above 60k real quick. Just messing up. Bitcoin is obviously is a sleeper coin, but right now, for me, my portfolio, my sleeper coin is Celsius. Now, I love the Celsius platform. You earn interest on it. So you can stake your coins on there. So I can leave it on there, leave it, not do anything, and it will just earn interest. And I can also take the coin, and take it out. So it's for Celsius platform. Your coins are not fixed in. You can, they're flexible. You can take them in and out. The one thing I love about Celsius as well is that it's very community driven. The CEO takes 80% of the profits and pays out the community in interest rates, and 20% goes to the company. So they're very, positive, pro community. I think, Celsius for me is very underrated. Not many people are talking about it as well at the same time. Right now it's at $7. I easily believe it can go up to $30 to $40. So that's my sleeper coin. What's yours, bro?
My sleeper coin is actually CRO, CRO from crypto.com. So I was staking quite a bit September last year until they changed crypto.com. They made some changes to some of their products, and it caused the price to go down.
Yeah.
But it's recovered. But since then, they were giving 20% interest on CRO.
Yeah.
So I was getting paid out 20 CRO a day. It was beautiful. So, but yeah, at the moment the price is hovering between 18 and 20 cents at the moment. I believe I felt as though it should have been 50 cents by now, but I don't know why.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying it's a sleeper coin. I think the highest we'll get to is $1. Being optimistic, but conservatively I say 50 cents in the next 2 months.
Well, you know what I say about crypto.com, and this is kind of I own a little bit of crypto.com. I was a massive believer of crypto.com. You know, I loved it, but they did so many changes back in a year ago. You know, we had 20% interest on staking. They cut that down to 10%. We had the debit cards. They kept changing the prices of how much it cost the debit cards. So I guess they were just finding their feet. But the thing about crypto.com, this is why I think it's a sleeper. We still have another wave of retail investors to come into the space. You know, when Bitcoin makes that move past 60K, 70K, trust me, your friends that are talking about that don't know about Bitcoin are going to be coming into this space, and they're going to be signing up to crypto.com, because one thing I would say about crypto.com is probably the best looking app. It's easy to use. It's one of the easiest apps to use. It's so silky, it's so easy to use, and like it's kind of like Binance, but a lot easier to use, because you have all the interest. The debit cards are like really good debit cards. I know you've got a debit card, I've got a debit card. We use it. It's a really good product. So I do believe a lot of the retailers that are coming into the space are going to jump on crypto.com.
Yeah,
there's a big wave coming. Trust me.
When there's new people that start following us, I'm surprised their platform they're using is actually crypto.com. The majority of them.
Yeah. So, I mean, I'm not that surprised, because like, you know, it is the.
Because normally, probably like 3-4 months ago, you'll meet someone at at a friend's house, or when we were allowed to go out. You'd ask them, you invest into Bitcoin, and they say, well, what platform do you use? Normally they would say Coinbase, Binance, but there's more people now, crypto.com. So that $50, $25 referral codes must have been working.
Yeah, that's So that's definitely, I think, sleeping right now. But when we get these new waves of retailers, that's going to pop up. That's a good shout, man.
There's more people talking about crypto. There's more people talking about Bitcoin. So okay. Lastly, our Hail Mary coins.
Well, this one I don't really expect anyone to know, but this coin is called Trust Wallet. Now, with Trust Wallet, it's rank 292 on the coin market cap. Now, the reason I like this coin is because, first of all, it's ranked 292, so there's a lot of space to go to get to that 100. I think you can get to the top 100. The market cap for it right now is about 200 million. I mean, that's very small in this space. But the coin has utility. So what I mean, the coin has utility. So you can actually earn and stake on decentralized DeFi, basically. So you download the app, and you can jump on the DeFi platforms and start earning interest on it. But also, if you have coins, it's linked. It's built on the Binance chain. So if you have Binance-based coins like BNB, Kava, Tron, and I think there's Algorand. So if you have these coins, you can actually earn interest on the Trust Wallet platform. You can buy it on Binance if you guys want to jump on that. It's currently 71 cents. I can see this going 10x, so $7 in the next. This is my Hail Mary, so I've only put like a small amount of my portfolio into it. If it does well, it does well. If it doesn't, well, that's why it's called a Hail Mary. You know, you win some and you lose some. But Trust Wallet for me, and I'm actually staking my Binance on that wallet, and they're offering a 30% APY on that right now. Nice. So yeah, it's an app that I'm using. That's one of the reasons why I bought into it. So Trust Wallet is my Hail Mary. What's yours, bro?
My Hail Mary will have to be ICX, but we've already spoken. Chris has already spoken about that. I know you're quite bullish of it. But I believe it's going to go to, if the all-time high is $12.5, sitting at $2 at the moment. Let's say it's bound to, from cycles to cycles, it's bound to smash the previous all-time high, and we haven't even touched all-time high. There's coins, there's tokens that they've reached their all-time high like 3 months ago. So with Icon, there's so much room to grow. But my super sleeper coins, I won't go into too much, but it's actually VeThor and Dent. So it's my Hail Mary. I've bought a tiny bit of it, and if it can 100x, then why not?
With these sleeper coins, right? Like I said, we don't say put the house on them, but like these are just coins you put a couple of £100 or whatever on there, and if they do 10x, 20x, that's just profits at the end of the day, But yeah, so that's our portfolio kind of breakdown. Our biggest holding, favorite coins, sleeper coins, Hail Mary coins. Guys, leave in the comment what's your portfolio, what's your biggest holding, your favorite coin, the sleeper coin, your Hail Mary, and maybe we can obviously interact in the comments below. But yeah, Ad, is that it?
I just wanted to say we're not recommending you guys buy this coin. Whenever I introduce someone to crypto or they want to know more about it and they ask what should they buy, I'm not gonna encourage them to buy any coins apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum. So because they are the safest bet. Bitcoin is the safest bet. And even if the market crashes, one Bitcoin today will be one Bitcoin tomorrow, regardless.
Yeah.
And the price of Bitcoin is going to go up. And I'm quite bullish with Bitcoin. I believe it's going to go to $1 million in the next 6 years.
Yeah.
I'll play this video in 6 years' time, and hopefully I'm right.
Yeah. I think you'll be right, bro. Don't worry.
But yeah, no, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and we're out.
We're out, man. Peace.